Hi, I'm Dr. Caroline Leaf. In this video blog, we're going to be talking about something that I think drives all of us nuts, and that's the I can't toxic tree. How many times have you had great intentions to sort out some issue in your life? You're applying the 5 steps, you're getting to day 2 and day 3, and then suddenly the situation arises and you just say, I can't do this. I can't stop worrying, or I can't change this, or I can't give up that. I have found in my own life and in my years of clinical practice and working with people in ministry and ministering and doing seminars that this is probably the most major issue that blocks people renewing their mind. You know, if you think of the Sleeping Beauty, the children's film Sleeping Beauty, and when Sleeping Beauty's up in the tower and there's that whole vine that thorny vine that stops anyone getting up to Sleeping Beauty, it's almost as though there's the good thought, there's the good intention sleeping inside that tower, surrounded by all these briars and all these vines that you can't get through, and that is the I can't. And we have to cut that away. We have to get rid of that, because I can't brings in condemnation and guilt. I can't is the thing that you try and you fall, and then I can't comes and whines around that thought saying, well, you just can't do it. It's almost as though the I can't forms this huge big toxic tree around the actual issue that you're trying to deal with. And in trying to deal with this issue, you have to get through that tower, you have to get through that briars around the tower, you have to get rid of the I can't first. So very often people will send through questions, and I'll be working with people, or I've worked with people, even myself, and I find I'm just not progressing through these 21 days. And I find that it's because the I can't condemnation tree that brings in guilt, that makes us want to give up, that makes us not want to push past the 9 innings game, that thing has to be dealt with first. So very often you have to step back, redo your 5 steps just on the I can't condemnation guilt concept, and then start working back again on the actual issue that you are dealing with.